I heard a great voice, many people cry. Hallelujah, salvation and glory rising to the sky. Power belongs to Yahweh, the God who reigns above. When I say hallelujah, I'm reminding myself of His love. It's not just words, it's praise lifted straight to heaven's throne. A spiritual announcement letting all of heaven know. It's heaven's victory shout. Oh, the battle cry of angels bold. Oh, hallelujah ain't a human word. It's a language straight from the streets of gold. So hallelujah, Lord, I'm giving you the glory. I'll say hallelujah through my good days and my storms. When I speak hallelujah, hell is shaken by your story. My King still reigns forever on the throne. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Lord, I'm giving you the glory. Hallelujah, glory. Hallelujah, glory. Hallelujah, hallelujah.
Yeah,
Hallelujah.
yeah. I know Satan fears it every single time. When I speak hallelujah, it hits hell like a warning sign. My God still reigns, His throne stands and shaking. So devil, you got no control, no fear in me you're taking. My God is King of kings and He never walks away. So I keep crying hallelujah every morning, every day. It's not just a sound I say, it's a weapon formed in praise. Hallelujah breaks the chains and darkness trembles when I raise.
Hallelujah. Lord, I'm giving you the glory. I'll say hallelujah through my good days and my storm. When I speak hallelujah, hell is shaken by your story. My King still reigns forever on the throne. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Lord, I'm giving you the glory. I'm giving you the glory. I can't let it go. I need heaven in my mind.
Hallelujah, rising strong, pushing every demon down.
It's more than a word, it's a sword, it's a shield. My hallelujah fights for me and my victory is